Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most powerful and feature-packed motherboards on the market, the X870E AORUS Master. Let's start with the chipset. This board is built on the AMD X870E chipset, offering cutting-edge performance, next-gen connectivity, and extreme reliability for enthusiasts and gamers alike. When it comes to CPU support, the X870E AORUS Master uses the AMD socket AM5, and it's fully compatible with AMD Ryzen 9000 series processors, AMD Ryzen 8000 series processors, AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. So whether you're planning to build a PC with the latest Ryzen 9000 CPUs or upgrading from a previous generation, this board has you covered. Just make sure to check GIGABYTE's official website for the most up-to-date CPU support. Memory. Support for DDR5 up to 8600 memory modules. 4x DDR5 DIMM sockets, supporting up to 256 GB of system memory. Dual-channel memory architecture. Support for ECC and non-ECC unbuffered DIMM memory modules. Support for AMD extended profiles for overclocking and extreme memory profile memory modules. DIY-friendly. Easy latch designs. User-friendly designs simplifying the assembly process. Screwless installation for M.2 heatsink M.2 SSDs. Single click for graphics cards. Wi-Fi Easy Plug. The Wi-Fi Easy Plug design integrates Wi-Fi antenna plugs into one adapter. Easy to install.